Welcome back to our comprehensive Rust series. Today, we're zooming into Rust's primitive data types. These types are the alphabets of the Rust programming language, and getting familiar with them is key to your Rust journey. In Rust, primitive data types are the basic types built into the language. They include various categories like integers, floating point numbers, booleans, and characters. Let's explore each of them with detailed examples. Rust offers a variety of integer types, both signed, I8, I16, I32, I64, I128, and unsigned, U8, U16, U32, U64, U128. Signed integers can hold both positive and negative values, while unsigned integers are for positive values or 0. For numbers with decimals, Rust provides F32 and F64 types, representing 32-bit and 64-bit floating point numbers, respectively. F64 is the default, offering a good balance between precision and performance. Booleans in Rust, represented by bool, are as simple as it gets, with only two possible values, true or false. They are extensively used in control flow and logical expressions. In Rust, char types are 4 bytes in size and represent a Unicode scalar value. This means you can use them for more than just English letters. Tuples are collections of values of different types. They're incredibly useful for returning multiple values from a function. Arrays in Rust store multiple values of the same type in a single data structure with a fixed size known at compile time. That's a wrap on Rust's primitive data types. Each type has its unique role in Rust programming. Try creating small programs using these types to get a hands-on understanding. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more in-depth Rust tutorials. Until next time, happy coding!